Devgowda ji, sir, whole house is with them.
Sir,
No, sorry, I made a mistake. I called leader of the opposition as Shri H.D. Devgowda. So that error is corrected. ठीक है ना? So श्री मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी, अन्य प्रतिपक्ष के नेता,
पैसे का इंतजाम
अन्य
हुआ है,
प्रतिपक्ष के नेता,
डॉक्टर्स का
आपका
इंतजाम।
कटाक्ष मैं पूरा समझ गया हूँ और मैं जानता हूँ कि मुझे क्या इंफॉर्मेशन देना चाहिए। मेहरबानी करके मर्यादित आचरण कीजिए।
नहीं।
आप इतना लाइट कर रहे हो, ये
नो,
गंभीर मामला है।
यही तो मुश्किल है।
आपको अंदाजा होना चाहिए
मैं तो ये कह रहा हूँ
कि
साहब,
सूर्योदय से पहले
जो
देश का नेतृत्व
मालूमात
और
जो
मुख्यमंत्री
इंफॉर्मेशन
एक्टिव है।
आपके पास है
नहीं।
वो सरकार हम सबको देना चाहिए।
Nothing will go on record. Matters raised with permission. Dr. Medha Vishram Kulkarni demand for a special relief package for the victims of flood elected. One second. Please. Why are you doing like this? There is a senior person standing. Yes. Please. I'll
Just for a minute.
One second. I get the sense of the house. Please.
सर, कल एक आपने महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न पर ये कहा था
What is the issue?
केरल इशू सर। केरल जो वायनाड के 42 people have died and more are infected sir. This is a very serious issue.
One second, take your seat. One second. It was indicated to me by Shri Pramod Tiwari that Honorable LOP would also like to speak on this. We have had several members. J.B. Mathur had spoken to me. John Bitaj has spoken to me. In detail, Mr. Kiran Rijiju has spoken to me. This is a very painful situation. Several people have lost their lives in a calamity, and state government and the central government are acting in tandem and togetherness. We are distressed by the landslides in parts of Kerala. Yes, you also raised. You also raised. One second.
Please release
Our
the
thoughts.
1,000 crores madam.
One second. Our thoughts in bipartisan matter are with those who have lost their lives, and if they are injured, we wish them speedy recovery. It is a situation where the entire nation has risen to give relief to the people concerned. All agencies, central government, state government, the Prime Minister of the country has spoken to the Chief Minister. He has expressed all help to be given to them. There has been some ex gratia payment already by the central government. I am sure the state government is doing. Mr. Devgowda ji, sir, whole house is with them.
Sir.
No, sorry, I made a mistake. I called leader of the opposition as Shri H.D. Devgowda. So that error is corrected. ठीक है ना? So Shri Malikarjun Kharge ji, leader of the opposition. And before you say, sir, the whole house in one voice is with them. The entire country has converged all agencies to help out the people in distress. The Prime Minister, the Chief Minister, everyone is alert and engaged in the activity. Sir,
ठीक है, आप जो मुनासिब समझे वो बोलिए। सर, ये वायनाड के बारे में क्यों हंस रहे नहीं? मैं कुछ भी बोलता, सांप भी हंसते हैं और आप भी हंसते हैं क्या?
सर, मन दुखी है मेरा, मैं हंस नहीं रहा हूँ। मैं साफ कहता हूँ, मैं नहीं हंस रहा हूँ। मन दुखी है। सुबह पता लगाया तो कहा कि 2 दर्जन है, फिर पता लगाया नंबर और बढ़ता जा रहा है। और ये बहुत अच्छा लगा कि सभी शक्तियाँ, केंद्र की और राज्य की, प्रधानमंत्री और गृह मंत्री और मुख्यमंत्री, सबके सब इस मामले में सक्रिय हैं।
ठीक।
और देश में जहाँ भी विपदा आती है।
ठीक है साहब, ये देखिए, मैं सर, ये तो मुझे तो पूरी जानकारी वहाँ की नहीं है, और जो पेपर में मैं पढ़ा और वहाँ टेलीफोन से जो मालूमात किया वही मुझे मालूम है, क्योंकि इतने लोग वहाँ पर मर चुके हैं वो मट्टी के ढेर में। अब तो 50 की गिनती हो गई, लेकिन उससे अंदाज़ा लगता है, क्योंकि रात के 2:30 बजे होने से किसी को पता नहीं चला कितने लोग मरे, कितने लोग हैं। और इसके लिए वहाँ की जो महिला है हमारी एमपी, उसके पास जानकारी है और वो अपनी बात रखना चाहती है। मैं आपसे विनती करता हूँ कि आप उसको अलाउ कीजिए, और जो चीज़ है, जो बातें आपने यहाँ पर बताया, सरकार अलर्ट है, वो मिनिस्ट्री अलर्ट, फलाना, वो बताएंगे।
फलाना नहीं बताएंगे,
उनका सुनने के बाद वो बताएंगे।
आपको
आप जो हमको इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं, उसके बजाय सरकार वो इंफॉर्मेशन दिए तो ठीक होगा। क्या स्पेशल स्क्वाड वहाँ पर गया है, क्या मिलिट्री गई है, क्या सेंट्रल पुलिस फोर्स गया है, क्या पैसे का
प्रतिपक्ष के नेता,
पैसे का इंतजाम
माननीय
हुआ है,
प्रतिपक्ष के नेता,
डॉक्टर्स का
आपका
इंतजाम।
कटाक्ष मैं पूरा समझ गया हूँ और मैं जानता हूँ कि मुझे क्या इंफॉर्मेशन देना चाहिए। मेहरबानी करके मर्यादित आचरण कीजिए।
नहीं।
आप इतना लाइट कर रहे हो, ये तो वीर मामला है।
यही तो मुश्किल है।
आपको अंदाजा होना चाहिए
तो ये कह रहा हूँ
कि
साहब,
सूर्योदय से पहले
जो
देश का नेतृत्व
मालूमात
और
जो
मुख्यमंत्री
इंफॉर्मेशन
एक्टिव है।
आपके पास है,
नहीं।
वो सरकार हम सबको देना चाहिए।
नहीं।
आप
बैठिए,
अगर
बैठिए,
वो
बैठिए,
रेफर करें,
बैठिए।
लेकिन
आप ये कह रहे हैं कि आपके एक सदस्य को बोलने दूं, यही कह रहे हैं ना। All you are saying is
just speak out.
I have heard it.
Please.
I have heard it. Honorable members, one second. I have understood. बैठिए। बस बैठिए। Please take your. Please, John Bitas, please take your seat. Take your seat. Honorable members. Okay. Take your seat. Those of the members. On what point? Are you saying the same thing which Leader of Opposition has said? I am surprised. How irritating it is to me. How irritating it is. Leader of the Opposition has already said so. Do you need to supplement the Leader of the Opposition? Why? He doesn't need supplementation. If the Leader of the Opposition says something, it is supreme importance. Honorable members, one second. Please, would you please take seat? Would you please take your seat? Honorable members, kindly listen to me carefully. Thank you. I'm grateful. Honorable members, every disaster or a tragic situation anywhere in the country is concern of all of us. And I have indicated that in my chamber, several members of parliament have come. They have indicated their concern. I have also shared with them that it is a case in which, without loss of time, the state government, the central government have put themselves in action. Even before sunrise, dialogue with the Chief Minister has taken place. Everyone is acting. So all we can do at the moment is we express our serious concern. We express our solidarity and condolence with the families who have lost their loved ones. We wish speedy recovery to those who are injured. Beyond that, at the moment, if the honorable members would like to, number one. Number two, one second. No, sorry. No. Everyone would have. Sir, I can't confine tragedy to one state. Mr. You don't have a. 1 second. Please, please. No, nothing will go on record, honorable members. Honorable members, please, please, this is not an occasion. Honorable members, take your seat, first take your seat. Unless you will hear me, nothing will proceed. Take your seat, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat, honorable members, take your seat. Number one. One second, Mr. Sanjay Singh. One second, Mr. Sanjay Singh, sit down. One second, Mr. Sanjay Singh, you do not have any member from Aam Aadmi Party from Kerala. That does not mean you are not concerned. You are concerned. Every member of the House is concerned. Every member is concerned. Our country is one. What will you discuss? No. Honorable members, what will you discuss? No, what will you discuss? One second. No, sorry. Sorry. 1 second. Santosh Kumar, please. What will you discuss? No. What will you discuss?